Hi, my name is Josie and I'm the Manager of Customer Success here at Edcite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a collection. I am going to start on the collections page. I know I'm on the collections page because collections is in green font and underlined in green. Next, I'm going to make sure that featured collections is selected. Then I'm going to look for a collection that I'm interested in. If I hover over the collection, it'll tell me how many assignments are in the collection and how many people are following the collection. Since this is the collection I'm interested in, I'm going to click View Collection. My collection is going to open. Here are all of the assignments that are within this collection. So at this point, I can either follow the collection, I can copy the link to the collection, or I can schedule the collection to be sent to my students. I'm going to schedule the collection. I'm going to send this assignment to my Magic Kingdom class. The first assignment will be sent today. I would like the assignment to be sent every Tuesday. So you can see my start dates automatically auto-populated here. And I would like the assignment to be closed one day after the start date. I can always adjust that to 2 hours or 6 hours or 7 days or never. If I want to delete one of these assignments from being sent to my students, all I need to do is click the Remove button. I can also go in and manually change any of these start dates and times. Say, for instance, we don't have school on September 18th, and I would want to switch that to maybe Wednesday, September 19th for that week. But just remember, if I'm switching this date, I should probably switch my due date or close date as well. Once I'm done, I'm going to click the Assign button, and I will get a confirmation page that says I've successfully scheduled 7 assignments to 1 class. If you have any questions about this or anything else on Edcite, please feel free to click the Help or Feedback button located at the bottom of your screen.